JPY. Quickly jumping on to GBPUSD. So for those of you who like watched the previous day's stream, I actually took a buy trade on GBPUSD because overall, if I were to look on a weekly, okay, priced formed this strong, like big ass weekly doji right off the 1.2 flat level, and it closed above and it tested the previous lows, the previous weekly lows. So that was a strong indication that price is about to head upwards. Oh, okay, I'm gonna quickly send him another meeting. We have to find a better way to actually have this meeting, but it's okay. Let me quickly send the link before we continue. Okay, join participants, copy. Right, let me just quickly send it to him. Okay, back to GBP USD. So while Roshan goes take a leak, we'll continue with the analysis. GBP USD, like I said, I saw this doji and this wick test. I knew price was going to go up. And overall, if you look at structure, price was bearish for a very, very long time. And price broke structure right here on 28 November. It broke structure, came back, retest, retest, retest. And it hasn't been like strongly being able to close below the 1.2 level. So I knew 1.2 was a very key level. There's so many rejections and reactions off of this level. As like you can even look back to 2019 July, price has made a reaction and another wick in September as well.
All right, we're back.
All right, so okay, Roshan's back. I was just okay.
Nice.
This is the last pair we'll be looking at today, GBP USD, and I'm not sure you know or you watched my stream yesterday, but I actually took a buy on GBP USD. Currently profiting right now.
Yeah.
Okay,
Oh,
so
you're still in.
I'm still in. I'm a swing trader, my friend. Like I like to hold long. I'm holding at least to the previous
Oh man.
weekly wick at like 1.22 around around 1.22. 1.226 actually.
Mm.
I'm looking to trade all the way up that.
Wait, what was your EP though?
Sorry?
What's your entry point for GBPUSD?
Oh, my entry point, to be precise, let me just double check. It's 1.2086.
Bro, you gotta be kidding, dude. That's damn right.
Yeah, it's a perfect. I'll fully explain why again, okay? But I was looking at the weekly and I was just saying that price.
Ooh, bro, that was a catch. That
Yeah,
was a
that
catch
was pinpoint accuracy.
previously, that was pinpoint accuracy, dude. Because previously it was five resistance.
Exactly.
Oh, that was nice. That was nice. Smart move.
Thanks,
Very
man.
smart.
Thanks, man. It's
Nice,
all about
nice,
consistency
nice.
and like learning from your mistakes. But I saw the 1.2
That's
level.
right.
It was so strong, so strong. Even on the daily,
Mm,
the daily.
right, right. That means if you had bought it there, that means wow. That means totally clean, lah. You never retrace at all.
Oh, it was a little bit negative, like bare minimum, but
A little bit lah, sikit lah.
it is what it is. But if you
Mm.
were to look on a daily, price actually formed. I mean, price is in. You could say it's a long-term consolidation ever since 13 December up to now. Like price has been playing between 1.242 and 1.9. Oh, sorry, 1.19. Like price is playing within these two zones. But as recent as January, 26 January, price started heading downwards and reacting off the 1.2 level. And I saw this bearish trend line, which from the last week, 10 March, price wicked above it but closed right before it. But then on Monday, price completely came and opened up right above the actual counter trend line. And just to note, the previous daily candle on Friday, 10 March, it also closed ahead of the 1.2 level, showing me that was bullish interest. That was my thought
Mm,
process.
yeah.
And when I jumped down to the 4 hourly, I also saw that price. Wait, where's price right now? I'm so confused. Oh, okay. I saw that price created this doji wick and morning star off of the on 13 March actually, and made the bullish push or like around 9 o'clock. I saw this bullish push around 9 o'clock.
Okay. Okay, hold on, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I basically saw this doji and I knew okay, price broke ahead, came back to retest this zone, which is also previous 4 hourly zone right here. It came back to retest with a wick. From there on, I was like, okay, there's something about to happen right now. I took a bet and I entered a buy. So right before the stream started, actually, okay, when I entered the trade yesterday, I was worried about this point because price could reject this point and just crash below. And I was really worried that it couldn't break and close above. But when I saw this, I was like, okay, we're pretty good to go because price broke ahead, came back and retest. Once he broke ahead around like 11 o'clock p.m., I knew my trade was good to go, so like I just closed my charts fully. And today, right before the stream, I was looking before I was like waiting for Roshan to come in, etc., etc. I saw this opportunity right here. Oh, wow. I entered right here based off this morning star formation off of previous, if I were to draw another zone right here, previous 1 hour resistance, which then turned into support. And this morning star formation, the next candle actually closed above the wick. So that was a very good indication for me to take prices higher. So I entered right here as a scaling trade, right on this hammer, and my stop loss went below this 4 hour, I could say, no, this 1 hourly zone because I anticipate that price will respect this. And apparently, while we're doing our analysis, price came down, tested it, and pushed back up. So if not mistaken, let me quickly check if I'm in the trade. Did I get stopped out by spread? I'm not sure. Well, let's quickly check. Nope, I'm still in the trade. That's a very good sign. And I am looking for price to hit upwards here. And bear in mind, I did keep an open take profit because price could potentially hit much higher. We have the wick right here, which is the key touch, which I'll be looking at very closely, as well as previous trendline touches. So as you guys know, I use this concept of ABC equals CBA. So once a trend line breaks, more often than not, price will retrace all the way and retest all of the trend line touches. So we could potentially fill in the overall consolidation and head back up to 1.24252 right here in this area. So there you go. And for hourly price recently, as the price closed, it formed a long wick bullish candle that closed above all of these candles. So I'm gonna stick with this trade. My stop loss is right down here. Regardless we win or lose, that doesn't really matter because what matters is we learn from our mistakes. Remember that, guys. If you believe and trust in the trade, just enter it. It doesn't matter whether you win or lose, because in the end of the day, you still learn and learning will always make you better. So stay strong in the trade. I will stay strong with this trade throughout. I am not gonna be, let's say, I'm not gonna be fearful of losing because I need to keep my emotions in check. When trading, emotion is really important. Oh, seems like Roshan is back just in time.
I was listening to what you were saying, the last few lines, guys. Those are some legit shit. Like
Precisely.
if you're just running on emotions, don't just think it's gonna be, fear. Yeah, it's not just fear. It can also be greed. Because there could be a time where, you plan to make only maybe say $500.
Mm-hmm.
But then you probably went to take a shit and you're making 1,005. How would you know if that's enough?
True,
You
true.
see, so yeah, you got to know when to stay greedy and when to stay fearful. You got to
Exactly.
know.
You just have to target the right points and put your stop loss in the right points as well. Anyways, Roshan,
That's right.
I do want your input for a bit. I did enter as a scale in on GBPUSD
On
at
which chart? Yeah.
GBPUSD.
Hold on. Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. GBPUSD. I'm here.
I entered at 1.21677
Okay.
right before we started the stream because I saw that opportunity on the 1 hourly. If you look
One
around
point two one six seven. Is it?
the one, let's see, one, okay, wait, let me say the actual number, 1.21677. You see what I'm looking at?
Did you enter late or is this one trade?
Oh, this is actually my scaling trade. So my thought process on this, which I previously explained, uh, okay, look at 7 o'clock hourly candle on GBPUSD.
7 o'clock. Holy can. Okay. Hold on. Yeah. When did you enter again?
Seven
Right
o'clock.
before the stream.
Yeah, right before when the 7 o'clock candle closed means like the open of the 8 o'clock. I entered off of this morning star formation and with all the previous like hours pointing wicks towards the previous resistance, which was on Monday, 13 March around 11 and 10. You see that resistance right there? It broke
Hmm.
above retest.
Okay. I see.
Yeah.
I see.
So
That means. Okay. Okay.
yeah, so I actually
I
entered a
feel like.
scale in right
I
there.
feel like right now.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you're already gaining from yesterday's trade, right?
Yeah, I'm still holding it.
You're already gaining.
Mm-hmm.
So it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be that bad because if you look at the 1 hour,
Mm-hmm.
okay, right now it's consolidation. It's not even expansion. It's not even trend. It's literally consolidation. So
Correct.
you don't have to worry much. But let's say if you were to check 4 hours,
Okay.
okay, 4 hours also is the same.
Mm-hmm.
So you're still in the safe side. You're still in the safe side. It's
Mm-hmm.
nothing much to worry about. But if let's say the 4 hour and the 1 day, because 4 hours there's two green bars and then the red is forming now.
Yeah, correct.
You see. So if let's say the 1 4 hour bar crosses two 4 hours bar, then I feel like you should get out.
Mm-hmm. Which you mean the if the red bar like if the down bar currently the current 4 hourly bar closes below these two, I should get out, right?
Mm,
I fully agree, which is why my scaling trade I
correct.
entered at bare minimum risk and I put the stop loss right below those two wicks because I know if price closes like that today or in the next 4 hours, I know that like price is not gonna hit higher just yet, you know? So like price.
Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Okay. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Hmm.
Um, is your stop loss above 1.213 or below 1.213?
Okay, precisely. Okay, my precise stop loss is 1.21346.
Okay, your line broke. Tell me again.
Um,
1.21346. Okay, hold on.
yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Okay, yeah, bro. It's amazing. That's a good one.
I put it there
That's a good
because
one
it's like
because
the safest point.
that is the safest point. Because even though you lose, you're still making from yesterday. So that's a good one.
Yep. So that's exactly why I placed
Mm.
it there.
Are you following yesterday's lot size as well?
Yeah, yesterday I actually entered at like bare minimum risk, and today is the same thing because once again, if you were to look in the overall sense of price, it is still
Okay.
within a consolidation, and I don't really like consolidation. It's like just
Yep.
it's not my thing, you know what I mean? Like I hate consolidation with a passion. You know, I feel like market should always trend, but that's not reality. Okay, let's be truly honest with ourselves. but
Exactly.
markets can never
Exactly. I
always
think if you
trend.
ask me personally,
Hmm.
I hate the expansion phase. The expansion phase is the craziest one, man. That's
The
when
most
dumb money is
annoying
made.
one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So annoying.
Mm.
But anyways, I guess that's pretty much it for the trade. Let me just double check
Yeah.
my alerts. So while we were talking, let's just quickly check back on gold because we were really focused on gold at one point.
Yeah, man. I totally forgot about that. Let's go back to go.
Okay, let's
Bro.
check back gold. Oh,
Bro.
okay.
Bro.
Ah, okay. Look at that. Look at
Oh,
that.
damn. Look
See?
at that. Do you know? Okay, let me try switching on the video again. Let's see if it's clear, okay?
Okay, let's open up.
Because I made a long position and I really want you to see where my stop loss is.
Okay, okay. Let's go. Let's try. I have the Zoom right open. Oh, it's still blue, my friend.
Oh my god.
Okay, okay, okay. Tell you what, tell you
Is it
what.
my
Is your WhatsApp connected to your phone? I mean laptop, sorry.
okay, I don't know if you guys can see, but like
Oh, it's super blur, my friend. It's really hard to
it's
see.
super blur, man.
Okay,
It's
okay,
very
okay.
hard.
Okay, this is what you do. You know, Trading View, you can like press a screenshot, right?
Oh, I think I know why. Hold on, yeah.
Okay.
Hey, very
Oh,
good.
finally.
Very good.
Okay. All right,
Yep,
let's go.
yep. Okay, so right while it was here,
Yep.
okay, I placed this. So it hasn't touched that. I feel like we can still buy, you know. It's still a possible buy.
It's still a possible buy. You think so?
I've okay, if you can see, I put a line on 1895, the yellow one,
One
right?
eight nine five. Okay.
I, okay, 1895. I feel like it's a powerful zone. Anywhere if it touches around there,
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna spike up or down.
Okay. Okay. I see your point. Well,
Because if you look at these four, I mean, you know how engulfing works, right?
yes, correct.
So if this is one long, and it took 4 hours not to break this line,
Mm-hmm.
it's a very high chance of it flying up.
Oh, that's a very interesting input. I didn't even think of that. That's very interesting.
Yeah, yeah,
True, true. The momentum is towards the upside.
exactly, exactly. Wow, goal is looking beautiful so far. Like I said, if we are out of the 4 to 8 o'clock, that means our next chance is probably 12 to 3 o'clock,
Mm.
12 o'clock midnight. Mm,
I agree. And I'm actually
mm,
really interested to see how this hourly candle closes, which is in 12 minutes and 10 seconds, give or take. I want to see
exactly.
if it closes above or below the 1900 level.
Ooh, ooh, man, it's showing some potential moves, bro.
Yep, yep. So
Like
I'm really
legit
waiting.
potential.
I'm really waiting.
Wow, the 1 hour is breaking the 3 previous hours. You know.
Yeah, it looks like oh no, one, two,
Mm,
three. No, actually 4 hours. Oh, it's crashing down actually.
exactly,
Let's
exactly. I've already placed the
quickly.
line there. So anywhere the red line, it's a possible buy.
Okay, I guess
It's
we'll
just
just
that we have to wait for it to close, lah.
we have to wait and see.
We just gotta wait for it to close.
Oh,
That's it.
it seems
Mm.
that
Also,
USD is going back up. Looking at the XY. Oh, okay. Hold up.
right, and if you look at it, right,
Mm-hmm.
if you look at over here, right here, this one.
Mm-hmm.
So we all know what this is, right? So the moment it forms this,
Okay,
next is usually it
could
consolidates.
you
So whatever
like
that goes,
explain? Can you explain because like some of the viewers don't act they might be beginners, so like they don't really understand. So what are we like looking at? The the part you were circling.
right? Okay. First of all, guys, before I continue, just know that I cannot come up with amazing words like Noah, descending triangle. No, I don't have that. But I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna call this. What can we call this?
The
What can we call this
Roshan
zone?
pattern.
Nay, no lah. Okay, let's call it AK-47.
Okay, AK-47
Okay,
pattern. All right.
AK-47. Okay, so it's going up, descended around here, and switched up again. Now, every time this happens, whether it's the other way around or whether it's on a support line, always remember it respects within the zone. That's why I put this green and yellow line over here.
And if
You
you
see,
look,
the
if you
price
look
only.
back, if you look back more to the left.
Okay.
Oh, no, not too far left. Go back to the right. Go back to the right. Do you see that wick? Look at that wick. The green wick, on the gap. Before, I mean, right
Green
after
wick
the gap.
on which gap? Here?
No, the first candle you see on the chart right now. The first ever candle, the doji.
Okay.
To the left, to the left, to the left, to the left.
Oh, you
Yeah,
mean
that
this?
it's super close to your yellow line also. Think about it.
Exactly. 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 Yeah. That means if let's say price were to go below here, there's a very high chance it will hit this zone.
Correct. I mean,
You see?
looking at like gold in itself. Let's go back to gold. Where is my gold? Oh, my computer's lagging. TradingView is lagging. Like,
It's crazy, man.
I agree with you because it seems like gold, it's overly extended. Like I said earlier, it's overly extended.
Mm, exactly. And if you think about it, it's overly extended less than a month, which is 2 weeks.
Mm-hmm.
2 weeks broke the entire month of February, bro.
Yeah, so it needs to be relieved. It needs to be relieved.
Yes, that's right. That's right. The what is it called? The the volatility needs to be respected as well.
Mm-hmm.
You can't just go all the way up.
Correct, correct.
Mm,
All right.
yep.
All right, perfect. So I guess that's it for today. So Roshan, would you
Yep.
kindly show your face so people know what you look like?
Can can.
It's a bit blur.
Hello guys.
All right, so this is my
Roshan here.
friend Roshan.
I was
So
the dude the entire time.
I don't know how long we've been streaming for. I'm gonna be honest with you. Let's just quickly check. Oh, we've been streaming for
Bro, we've been streaming for nearly 2 hours.
oh, it's 1 hour 30 minutes. It's gonna we're
Hey, not
gonna
bad,
stop
what?
it exactly at 1 hour 30 minutes. So like that's perfect. But anyways, I appreciate
Nice.
you, Roshan, and I think we should do this more often because like it will not only improve
We
both our
should.
trades,
We should.
but
Hey, what about you, bro? Where's your video? Where's your camera?
oh, my camera is already playing on the stream.
Oh right. My
Yeah,
bad.
yeah, yeah. I
Okay,
have that
okay,
small little thing
okay.
right there. But anyways, I
Okay.
appreciate you for joining the stream, and we should do it much, much, much more often. And
Bro,
I hope you enjoy your
definitely.
Starbucks. Honestly, I don't know what you're drinking, but I think it's hopefully you'll buy it with your profits. Yeah. Okay, you buy your profits.
You bet. You bet.
All right, then.
Also, before I go, I want to say,
All
Noah,
right,
thank you so much for calling me in, man. Okay, thank you so much for bringing me up here and give me a chance to share our knowledge together. It's been amazing. I think we should do this more often. It's nice.
definitely. I'll honestly I'll be trying to
Mm,
make a what I call this. Well, I'm trying to go live almost every day to like check trades, but we'll see how it goes. I'll normally go live around this time, but it still depends. Like if we're busy, then it's not gonna be possible, but we'll still try our best. So let's make this hopefully a daily thing.
exactly. For sure.
Yeah, for sure. Anyways, thank you very
Yeah.
much, Roshan.
Yeah. For
And
sure.
we'll be ending the stream today for all of you guys
Thank you.
watching live
Thank you.
or on YouTube. Thanks for tuning in. If you like
Make
what
sure
we're
you guys like, subscribe, and share. Do not forget.
he said it. You heard the man. You heard the man. So to like, subscribe, share, simply go to YouTube, go to NCBFX Trading. You can just subscribe right here. This whole live will be uploaded later on, and you will find it in the playlist below. So that's it for today. Thank you very much, and we'll see you guys very soon. All right. See you, Roshan. Take care.